Okay.
Hello. I'm going to break down, give it to him, take it back, 2 walls, front wall, right side wall, 2 full rotations. There's no breakdown, 4-wall dance, and I'm gonna slow the steps down at pace, and then I'll do them with the music for 2 walls, okay? Your first step is a travel, double right, back left, right, left, right step, half turn, double left, back right, left, half turn. That's your first step. When you come off of your half turn, you're gonna run it up. Right, left, up, down, out, left, right, up, down, out. Give it to him on the right, take it back on the left. You're gonna step out, half turn, out, back, and up. Quarter turn with the right, quarter turn. Give it to him, take it back, out, left, half turn, out, back, cross, kick, step, quarter turn, cross, kick, step, quarter turn, cross, kick, step, turn, cross, hold, 3, 4, left and stop, twist, left, right, stop, twist, right, left, stop, twist, left step, right, left, right, right back, tap twice, switch, left, back, switch, right, back, switch, step up, full turn, start over, double to the right, back, left, right, half turn, double left, back right, left, half turn, right, left, up, out, right, left, up, out, left, right, up on the right, back on the left, out, right, half turn, out, back, and pause, quarter turn, pause, quarter turn, up left, back right, out left, out, back, cross, kick, step, turn, cross, kick, step, turn, cross, kick, step, turn, cross, hold, 3, 4, down, left, kick, stop, twist, left, right, stop, twist, left, stop, left, up, right, left, right, back, left, back, right, back, step up, full time. Start all over.